Hello guys, this is Parks Concept Photography. So I'll be teaching you how to color grade on Capture One. So this image right here has been edited in Photoshop and it's now in Capture One for color grading. Then after color grading, we upload it. So now for all these panels right here, we we just work with two, just these two panels. That's color and exposure. So the first thing I'll do is go to color, go to color editor, go to skin tone, use the picker here, that's pick skin color correction, or pick here, add the volume, or move this towards where it's brownish a little, then come to amount, add it up, add it up, uniformity yeah. So color balance, maybe when you want to play with colors around, you get. But I don't think we are playing with that. That's for color grading too. All these layers, no need for that. So we come to exposure, then come to levels. What I'm showing you here is what I do on all my pictures. Okay. So come to levels. You move this first side up, which is for the shadows. Move it down, then move the back one forward, which is for highlights. Okay. So come down to clarity, structure, increase your structure a little. And we don't increase the clarity, okay? So that's it. So that's how. Let's see what we have done. New variant. So let's see after, before, after, before, after. So you see what you can do with your images. So this how it was when we got here, and this how it is now. So this is how I collaborate my images to give you that glow up, uh, fine looking image. So if you want to save this as a preset, you come to this adjustment panel, then come to style and presets, click on these buttons, come to save user style, then you come to save, when you come to save, sorry it's loading, it will open a new pop-up box here. So you save it with the name you want to save it. Maybe this you can call it grade, grade 0.1. Okay, then we save. Voila, save. So you come and see it under your style user, see it as grade 1, grade 0 and C. I have other presets here that I created for myself. Alright, so that's it. So anytime you just come into Capture One, you can just easily just click it and make it work. Yeah. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it,